Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoying your online classes. My name is Manish Kumar Vishwakarma and my today's topic is understanding criminal justice system from SST in civics. And my today's topic is steps taken for improvement minorities constitutional provision for safeguarding the interest of marginalized group. Step taken by the government. Step taken for the improvement. In 1999, the Ministry for Tribal Affairs was set up attending the special problem, the need for the scheduled tribe. They have been given the same kind of reservation as the scheduled caste in the prescribed sector. Different welfare programs are introduced by the government to remove literacy and to produce them technical skill and will contribute to their economic development. Government of India is organizing various fairs to exhibit their handicraft and to promote their culture. Second one is the minorities. Minorities consist of those sections of the society which are comparatively less in number as compared to other societies. They may be in the term of religion, language, etc. Muslim, Jain, Sikh, Parsis, Christians, and other cultural groups are in minorities in India. The government has set up minority commission to look into the problem of the minorities. In fact, there a provision that if the Anglo-Indian community is not adequately represented in the House, the President nominates two members from the Anglo-Indian community. In this way, they are sure that they were well represented and their rights are well protected. Our third topic is constitutional provision for safeguarding the interest of marginalized group. Every citizen should be treated equally without any discrimination. Untouchability is abolished and practice in any form is forbidden. The enforcement of any disparity the, in, the enforcement of any disparity on the basis of untouchability shall be punishable offence. The state shall promote with special care of the educational and socio-economic interest of the weaker section of the people are in particular of the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes and shall protect them from social injustice and all forms of exploitation. The state of Bihar, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh will appoint a minister in charge for welfare, SC, ST and OBC. Shall be paid out consolidated fund of India as grants in aid for the purpose of promoting the welfare of scheduled tribes and raising the level of administration of scheduled areas. There will be National Commission for Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes which will ensure the constitutional provision for their upliftment are followed and implemented. Any person residing in the territory of India or any part thereof having a distinct language, script and culture of its own shall have the right to conserve the same. No citizen shall be denied admission in any institution run by government or using government aid or state fund on the ground of caste, religion, race, language, etc. All minorities, whether based on religion or language, shall have right to establish and administer educational institution and of the choice. The state not be discriminated while giving grant aid to educational institutions on the ground that is under the management of a minority, whether based on religion or languages. Step taken by the government. The following step taken by the government are for the welfare and upliftment of members of the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. 22.2% seats are reserved for them, 50% for scheduled castes and 7.5 scheduled tribes in the government jobs. Some seats have been reserved for them in educational institutions both for students and for teachers. Free coaching is being provided to the students. of these caste group who are going to be appear in various competitive examinations such as IS and IPS, etc. Some seats have been reserved for them in parliament, state legislature and local government institutions. Book banks have been set up in schools, colleges and higher educational institutions to provide free book for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, providing scholarship and financial help for higher education in India abroad. Free hostel and residential facility are provided for the girl who being of this group in a higher education institution, universities and medical institutes, etc. To launch vocational training programs in tribal areas and opening educational institutions for promoting literacy in those areas. Dear children, we will discuss in our next video about other backward classes and untouchability. Dear children, watch this video. That is all for today. Bye. Take care. Have a nice day. See you in the next class.